Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Class 11, Accountancy, Accounting Equation. Now we are going to do sum number 13. First, we'll write the column heads. Assets in rupees, which should be equal to our liabilities and capital together. Okay. So now we'll start with the first transaction. Commenced business with cash rupees 50,000. So just write it under transaction. Commenced business with cash. Okay. So cash increases. It is rupees 50,000 and this cash is brought in for capital. Okay. So under capital mention 50,000. Second transaction, paid into bank rupees 10,000. Paid into bank. Okay. So the next asset, cash at bank. So we are actually depositing 10,000 from cash in hand into bank. Okay. So here this transaction has the effect on the asset side itself. So now new equation. We have 40,000 cash in hand and 10,000 cash at bank, zero liabilities plus 50,000 capital. Okay. Now third transaction, purchased goods for cash and credit. Purchased goods for cash and credit. Okay. So some part of the good is purchased for cash and some is for credit. So we are paying 20,000 and we purchase goods and we owe 30,000 for the purchase of goods. So totally the stock value is 50,000. A part we have paid and a part we are supposed to pay. Okay, so this is our creditors, right? Now new equation. We have cash 20,000 in hand and we have 10,000 in bank. We have 50,000 worth stock. We have 30,000 creditors and 50,000 is our capital. So it balances. Okay. Now fourth transaction, sold goods for cash rupees 40,000 costing 30,000. So we have sold goods for cash. Okay. So how much is the cash we have received? 40,000. And what is the actual cost of the stock sold? It is 30,000. So you have to subtract only 30,000 from stock. And what is this excess 10,000? It is a profit. So you have to add it to the capital account. Now coming to the new equation. 60,000 cash in hand, 10,000 cash at bank, 20,000 worth goods equal to 30,000 liability plus 60,000 our capital. Okay. So it balances on both sides. Now we'll just continue. Coming to the fifth transaction. Rent paid rupees 500. Rent paid. So we have paid it out of the cash we have. Okay. And as it is an expense, we have to subtract it from our capital. Okay. So now new equation equal to 59,500 cash in hand, 10,000 cash at bank, 20,000 stock value, which is equal to 30,000 of liability plus 59,500. Okay. Next, sixth transaction, rent outstanding rupees 100. Okay. So we have rent outstanding rupees 100. Outstanding rent we have, first we'll write here, outstanding rent. How much is the value? It is rupees 100. And this outstanding rent has to be subtracted from the capital also. Okay. So here we have the effect on the liability side itself. One liability is increasing and the other one is decreasing. Okay. So new equation is equal to 59,000 cash in hand, 10,000 cash at bank, 20,000 stock value should be equal to 30,000 of creditors plus outstanding rent 100 rupees plus 59,400 our capital. Okay. Coming to the seventh transaction, bought furniture 5,000 on credit. So we have purchased furniture on credit. So include furniture here. Okay. Bought furniture on credit. Yes. So furniture worth rupees 5,000 has increased in our organization, and we also have the creditors increased by 5,000. Okay. So now the new equation is equal to same value in cash in hand and cash at bank and stock. There is an increase of 5,000 under furniture, and the creditors increased by 5,000. Okay. Now transaction number 8. Bought refrigerator for personal use. So cash is taken to purchase furniture for personal use, which means it is a drawing. Okay. So we can write the transaction as bought refrigerator for personal use. Okay. So cash has decreased by 5,000, and this is because it is a drawing. So from capital also it has to be deducted. Okay. So now new equation equal to 54,500 plus cash at bank, stock and furniture has the same value, and this side liability has the same value, and capital reduces by 5,000. Okay. Now ninth transaction, the last one, purchased motorcycle for cash rupees 20,000. So once again an asset is getting added. So motorcycle, so mention it under here the transactions also, purchased motorcycle for cash. Okay. So 20,000 will decrease, and here motorcycle is an asset, so it has to be added under asset. Okay. So the new equation is 34,500 cash at bank, stock and furniture remains with the same balance, and now one more asset is added, of worth rupees 20,000. 35,000 liability, outstanding expense, and the capital worth is 54,400. So we have to just cross check whether both the sides it's equal. Okay. So now in the question they have asked us to prepare balance sheet for this. Okay. So we'll prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet of, here the name of this proprietor is Raghunath. So balance sheet of Raghunath as at, the date is not given, so leave it blank. Now coming to the balance sheet format. Okay, now coming to the balance sheet format. Liabilities, amount, then assets, amount. Okay, now just take all the assets which all we wrote. So first we have cash in hand, then cash at bank, then stock, furniture, motorcycle. So cash in hand, cash at bank, then stock, furniture, and motorcycle. Okay, now we'll just write the balances. 34,500, 10,000, 20,000, 5,000, and 20,000. Okay, now coming to the liability side. Liabilities, we have creditors. We have two creditors together, so we will mention it as sundry creditors. And then we have outstanding rent, and then we have our capital account. Okay, so sundry creditors rupees 35,000, then 100 rupees for outstanding expense, and 54,400 for capital. Okay, so just total 89,500. And here if we total this side, so here also we are getting the same amount, so it is balanced. Okay, so this is an example for the comparison of how we can just equalize the accounting equation with the concept of balance sheet. Okay, and we'll see the similarity between these two concepts. So today we have seen the balance sheet concept along with accounting equation. To receive our online classes, lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.